Hello everyone! Today, we're going to discuss healthy juice ideas for kidney cleansing. If you have been feeling unwell or have been told by a healthcare professional that you might have kidney issues, it's important to take steps to cleanse and support your kidneys. Juices are a great way to do just that. So, let's dive into some delicious and effective kidney-friendly juice ideas. 1. Watermelon and cucumber juice. This thirst-quenching combination is packed with hydration and essential nutrients. Watermelon is known for its high water content, while cucumber is a natural diuretic that can help flush out toxins. Both ingredients work together to promote healthy kidney function. 2. Ginger, lemon, and apple juice. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and digestive aid, while lemon aids in digestion and promotes healthy kidney function. The combination of these ingredients can help improve kidney health and remove toxins. 3. Spinach, cleavers, and carrot juice. This juice is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and potassium. These nutrients support healthy kidney function and can help regulate blood pressure. The addition of celery adds a bit of fiber for better digestion. 4. Beetroot, carrot, and apple juice. Beetroot is a natural diuretic that can help remove toxins from the body. Carrots are rich in nutrients and antioxidants, while apples support healthy digestion and heart health. This juice can help improve kidney function and overall health. 5. Green apple, celery, and cucumber juice. This juice is packed with hydration and nutrients that support healthy kidney function. The combination of green apples, celery, and cucumbers is gentle on the digestive system and can help flush out toxins. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or supplementation routine. These juice ideas are merely suggestions and should be used in conjunction with a balanced diet and exercise for optimal kidney health. Cheers to clear, healthy kidneys!